You're probably feeling the same way about this job market. It's pretty rough. It feels hopeless. So you got to do a lot to stand out just to get that first interview. One way to stand out is through certifications. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to go through everything I did to make sure I pass my AWS Cloud Practitioner exam. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Godwin. I'm a recent grad who's naive enough to think he can break into tech. So on this channel, I'm documenting everything I'm doing to make sure I have the best chance. Today, we're covering the AWS Cloud Practitioner exam, and I'm going to show you how you can become an AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner. So what is the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner Certification? So according to AWS, this certification is meant to showcase your high-level understanding of AWS cloud services and terminology. It's geared towards individuals who have no prior IT or cloud experience that are looking to switch into a career in cloud. So the idea behind these certifications is that there are different paths you can take into actually getting a job at AWS or just in cloud in general. So you would start with your AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner, then you would move into Solutions Architect and Data Engineering. That's just an example for analytics. But let's say you're interested in software engineering instead. So you do your cloud practitioner exam, then AI development, and then software development, and then DevOps engineering. You can find all these paths and more information about this on the AWS website. But the starting point for all these pathways is the Certified Cloud Practitioner Certification, and that's the one I took. Off the bat, this is kind of an expensive certification. When I took it, it was $100. I will say AWS gives you a discount for every certification that you take after your first. So I think it's like 50% maybe, but you know, that's still $100, then $50. Depending on your pathway, you could be spending $200, $300. The reason I took it and thought it was worth it is I don't have the most technical background, and I wanted to learn as much as I could about cloud, and I wanted to add this certification to my resume to help me stand out. For me, I wanted to keep the cost down as low as possible, so I focused on free YouTube tutorials, free study guides, and used free trials where I could. So I watched a course on YouTube. I'll link that in the description below. And I just watched like 1 to 2 hours every day until I finished the video. I took lots of notes to make sure it stuck. And then after I was done with the video, I did 16 different practice exams. So the course I watched actually had its own practice exam. So I did that one a couple times. And I went on Reddit and looked for some free practice exams. And I found one, which I'll link in the description. I just did a couple of those again and again. The goal was to do at least one a day until my exam. The night before my exam, I felt decently confident. Then I saw this TikTok that recommended using Udemy's 6 practice exams. So at like 10 o'clock at night, I opened up Udemy, created an account, started a free trial, and I just wanted to try one exam. I was expecting to pass, but I absolutely bombed that exam. I got like a 50%, and you need a 70 or 75 to pass. So literally after I failed that, I basically stayed up all night just taking those exams over and over again and making sure I noted down what I got wrong and hoping I remembered everything in the morning. So I woke up early, and instead of studying, I decided I'm gonna play a little bit of soccer, get the blood moving, you know, get my brain right for the exam. And so I finished up soccer a little early. Right before the exam, I just looked through a few of the questions that I got wrong from the practice exams. The actual exam was a little easier than the Udemy practice exams. As soon as I finished the exam, it let me know I passed, and then I was just waiting on the confirmation through email that I passed the exam, and I got it. Just a little recap of all the resources I used to pass this exam. I watched a free YouTube video, just broke it up into little chunks every day. I did one practice exam every day, totaling about 16 after I finished the course, and then just kept reviewing the answers I got wrong to make sure it stuck. I'll link all those resources below, and good luck. When I was studying for this exam, I wish there was a way for me to be more productive and keep track of my progress. So right now I'm using Notion as my productivity tool. So if you want to learn about how Notion can make you more productive, check out this video. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you guys next time.